longer I can do this. My hip is at an all-time low this morning, and I know why. I'm not trying to make a... You know what? I need the other lane. I'm not trying to make a woe is me video, but life update. I got x-rays a couple weeks ago on my hip. Ooh, that's bright. And the doctor says my hip is bone on bone and schedule a hip replacement whenever you want one. Holy crap. I knew something was wrong. Don't feel bad for me though. I'm excited. I'm excited about this. Can't wait to get my hip replaced, dude. I've been in so much pain for 13 years. Hit my 13-year anniversary of my accident like a month ago. And I've been living in constant pain every day ever since. But the last month or two, or last more than that, I think it all came to a head when I got this bike because I hadn't been riding for a while. So anyway, the last year or two have been especially bad compared to the last decade. So I knew something was wrong and it was time to go get looked at. Yep, so because they took out most of my cartilage when I had my accident, and I was riding on scar tissue for a while. Who knows when that wore out? I've probably been bone on bone for a minute, but anyway, I'm excited to get this done, get over with. I made an appointment window request for like somewhere between October and November because I don't want to miss my summer, but I might not be able to ride very much at all or for very much longer. I think I'm going to lose the ability to be able to ride very soon because climbing up on this thing this morning was not easy. So just in time for a hip replacement. Sounds good to me. Whoopsie. Well, I can't see. I'm not running out of gas. I thought I'd have enough gas to get to Carson from my house, and then it's like I was watching the gas gauge go down. I was like, it's alright. I probably got enough gas to get to Stevenson. And then I was like, yeah, that'll probably be fine. And then my F-trip light just came on. That was a mile and a half ago. I got the cruise set to like the most optimal active fuel mileage reading that I can find. So wish me luck that I make it to Stevenson, because I'm pretty sure there's no gas between here and there, and I don't know how many miles it is. Hopefully it's not more than like 20. Pretty far up the well, not far up the gorge, but probably like almost to the Bridge of the Gods, I would think. I don't know. Wish me luck. I totally just forgot and remembered that there's a gas station right here by the dam. Cha-ching! We ain't running out of gas today, boy. 7.5 miles on F-trip, thinking I had to go from the dam to Stevenson. Had me a little worried here. Oh, and I got somebody catching me hard. Gotta get out of the way. I filled up really fast. Oh, in case I forget to Google it, somebody tell me how much gas I had left in my bike. It just took 2.859 gallons. And I owe myself $15.72. Okay. Turns out I was only about 6 miles from Stevenson. Probably would have made it. I don't know. Hey, there's Community Lodge. It's a pretty cool place to, like, go stay. Stayed there a couple times. Get that, the 3rd or the 4th floor with the riverside view. Money. It's good stuff. This is about where I'd really want to do my first wheelies of the day, but I'm cold. My hands are numb. No wheelies right now, maybe later. Man, according to this, it's 50 degrees, but it sure feels colder than that. It must just be like I'm in the shade, and maybe the heat of my bike is warming the air around the air temperature sensor. Maybe. Whoa, that looks cool. Man, I'm freezing my butt off. I mean, in 50 and like even 40, it's not that bad if you have the right gear for it, but I do not have the right gear for it today. I did not wear my cold weather gloves. I thought about it, didn't think I need them. Mistakes were made. Ooh, a shirt. Free shirt. Mountain's looking pretty good today. And the lower mountains around it, too. I wonder if that person's over here taking a shit. Oh boy. So I got a new toy, and that's why I'm here today. I picked up a DJI Mini 4 Pro. First drone I've ever had. I've flown it a couple times. I've had one little oopsie with it, crashing a little pillar thing, but no biggie. But I think I'm gonna crack open my energy drink and drink some water, because hydration is important. Get some phone pictures. Oh, I got a gimbal for my phone too, so I'm gonna try to get all cinematical and shit over here. And send the drone up. Should be cool.